Deion Sanders' iconic Nike Air Diamond Turf 2 from 1994 is officially set to make its long-awaited return in spring 2026, bringing back one of the most recognizable trainers of the 90s. The reveal gained major attention after Shedeur Sanders stepped into his first NFL start wearing the Nike Air Diamond Turf 2 Fire Red, blending football legacy with modern tunnel style. This moment highlights how the Sanders family continues to revive classic Nike Turf models for a new generation. The 2026 Nike Air Diamond Turf 2 Fire Red stays true to its original design, featuring the signature midfoot strap, bold cutouts, and sculpted upper panels. Fire Red synthetic leather is paired with clean white overlays, black accents, and a gold mesh underlay inspired by Deion's legendary dual sport era. The midsole retains its classic black and white crash pad design with Air branding at the heel. Updated materials improve comfort while preserving the original shape. The Nike Air Diamond Turf 2 Fire Red releases February 7, 2026 for $170 at Nike and select retailers.